Hello dear student, second quarter and exam plus 2 first year commerce basic accounting system and accounting equation ru kiछि question jaki second quarter exam pai. The first question, what is single entry? A system of accounting where this is an admixture of single entry. Second, what is no entry? A system where no entry is passed. Internal transaction like depreciation on asset require no entry under single entry setup. What is statement of affairs? It is a statement of asset and liability where capital is ascribed as the difference of asset and liabilities. तापर what is single entry system? Single entry system is a system of accounting where cash book and personal account are maintained. It is regarded as a single of it is regarded as system of single entry. तापरे write some important feature of single entry system. First, cash book is recorded under one aspect basis. Second, personal account are maintained under double entry basis. Third, no entry is passed for internal transaction. तापरे 6 number question, what is double entry system? Double entry system is denotes a system of record keeping where two aspects of transaction are recorded. It is universally used system of business record keeping. Double entry system bookkeeping is এটা কোন লেখা আছে ঠিক সে codified by Luca Pacioli. তারপরে what is receive? It is a basis of accounting where transactions are recorded on received and payment basis. তারপরে what is accrual basis? It is a basis of accounting where transactions are recorded on due or accrual basis. What is double entry? It is regarded as the accounting system where entry debit has a corresponding credit and vice versa is applied. तापरे राइट अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन तो ठीक से देखा जाऊ नथिबा मु टिके बड़ करूची. एसेट माइनस लायबिलिटीज इक्वल टू कैपिटल. तो देखी नियो जे एसेट माइनस लायबिलिटी इक्वल टू कैपिटल यह हूँ अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन जहाँ लिखा गला. तापर नेक्स्ट देखिबा what is dual concept? The basis of accounting equation where sum of asset is equal to the sum of external and internal equities. तापर what is personal account? Accounts relating to persons are termed as personal account. Example, customers, suppliers, money lender and owner. तापरे what is real account? Account concerning tangible and intangible properties and possessions are termed as real account. There are two type of real account like tangible real account and intangible real account. तापरे what is nominal account? Account concerning expenses, losses, income and gain of a business enterprise are termed as nominal account. तापर what is modern approach? Modern approach is the debit and credit based on accounting equation, so it is known as accounting equation approach. तो जदि सेकेंड क्वार्टर एंड एग्जाम रे जदि एही विषय बेसिस अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम एंड अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन रू जदि किछि क्वेश्चन आसिला एही परे भाव रे तो तुमे सेथिरे भल स्कोर करि पारिबो. एहा केवल कॉमर्स पिला मानक पई वीडियोटी पूरा डेडिकेट होते. तेणु कर निश्चय तुम कॉमर्स संग सह वीडियो को शेयर करिबो और चैनल को निश्चय सब्सक्राइब करिबो एवं बेल आइकन को निश्चय ऑन कर रखिबो जहाँ द्वारा लेटेस्ट वीडियो कॉमर्स रिलेटेड तुम पाखरे अपडेट जीव. धन्यवाद.